SpongeBob's on the hunt for buried treasure. Ooh, maybe the magic conch has something good. Buried treasure! Oh, magic conch, what can't you do? I wonder what could be inside. 1, 2 doubloons? Blocks! Even better! Now we can build whatever we want.
Wow!
Some jelly will go great with our pineapple. Wow! Now it's big enough to live in. Ooh, 2 stories. Sponge Girl sure earned herself a Krabby Patty. Well, someone likes mayo. Don't worry, guys. A fry cook is always prepared, though we'll need help. From everybody's favorite evil Cyclops. Plankton, such a nice shade of green. Now, let's trim a little off the bottom. A touch of red really livens things up. But why don't we add some cheese? Don't mind the hole, it's just extra Swiss. But soon we'll have a brand new patty. Of course, this burger's not for lunchtime. It's our special tub. Add water. There's plenty down here. The same could also be said about sharks. Your finger! It's infected! Wait, no, it's just a pop tube. I'm always getting those things mixed up. But soon, it'll be our colorful new slide. And we're throwing on all the bells and whistles. Wow, it's looking great! We just gotta hook it up. And our Dirty Dans are almost ready for a ride. Come on, guys, slide on down. The water's fine. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 friends in a tub. But you guys could use some sponges? Yeah, it's probably best not to think about it. Besides, they make for a really cool couch. Then again, it's looking pretty bare. Why don't we whip up some Krabby Patty pillows? Ooh, and it looks like we ordered extra large. Meanwhile, I think we've earned a little jellyfishing break. Steady now. It's letting its guard down. Gotcha. Uh-oh. I prefer my pancakes with syrup, not jelly. Well, we could at least give you back your color. Now let's add some lines on top. But now it's time for the real heavy artillery. Hot glue. Draw out some squiggles, and soon you'll have new tendrils. And we've got the perfect place for you to hang out. Mirrors are like windows to another world. Ooh, seems like that gave Sponge Girl an idea. We can use it to make a brand new porthole window. But I think we're gonna need a new view. And what could be better than a Bikini Bottom backdrop? The ocean's a beautiful place, but it could use a few more bottom feeders. Don't worry, we'll soon get things rolling. Now let's give the top a nice fringe. Next, we'll really put everything in place. And when I said get things rolling, you know I meant it. Remember, you don't need a license to drive a sandwich. Of course, you can't forget the patty. Our secret weapon, sesame seeds. Don't tell Plankton. Oh, and headlights. Can't go wrong with headlights. Ooh, looks like it's the self-driving model. And it brought our friends, Mr. Krabs and Sandy. Now the party can really get started. Ooh, are you whipping up a disco ball? No, that's not quite it. What could it be? It kind of looks like a satellite. Oh, hold on. You're making a barbecue. We'll need charcoal. Unless you prefer propane and propane accessories. But if we want our guests to sit back and relax, we're gonna need something for them to relax on. And we might as well make it sparkle, too. Don't forget shades for that underwater sun. Crafting is thirsty work, but make sure to save that bottle cap. Just cover it up. Now we'll need our shark friend again. Yeah, we save a ton on paper shredders around here. But if you want things to have a nice shape, it's always best just to use a hole punch. We just need a little circle right in the center. Now we've got a tiny table for our tiny treats. Okay, I think the patties are about well done. Let's get it ready. Patrick looks pretty hungry. Lunch is ready, everyone. Come and get it. Ooh, you've even brought some extras. You can really taste that secret formula. All done? Well, why don't you all relax? A starfish? Hey, are you a friend of Patrick's? Well then, you can help us with our next craft. You guys want to work off those Krabby Patties? Well then,
I want some.
try out our new trampoline.
Empty. I have to try this.
Okay, let's go.
Any takers? Looks like Squidward's going first. Next, Sandy's gonna get some serious air. Of course, we can't forget SpongeBob. Wow, this place has got everything, even Gary. There's always fun to be had under the sea. Just wait till you see what we've got planned for Squidward's house next. Sandy's always been a squirrel with her head in the clouds. Especially if those clouds are underwater.
Wow.
Well, in Bikini Bottom, do what Bikini Bottomites do. And that would be jellyfishing. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. Let's see what else we can catch around here. It's your old pals, SpongeBob and Patrick.
Ooh. Huh?
Now that's what I call a growing friendship. Let's show you guys all around the world above. Just don't forget to water them now and again. You know, Gary's giving me an idea. We can whip up our own snail, and we'll make it extra large. Remember, our little mollusk is gonna need a tough shell. As they say, life's better with a little swirl. Of course, when it comes to eye stalks, go big or go home. Our Gary's one of those fancy soft shell snails. And He's here to take you places with style and comfort. Look, guys, there's just enough room for SpongeBob and Patrick. And there's even room for just one more blanket. You seem so comfortable. Why not take a nap? Who says you're too old for nap time?
La 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 la.
What better way to welcome our new guests than a welcome party? But what's a party without some cake? And what could be better than pineapple upside-down cake? Uh-oh, I think SpongeBob's getting homesick. This looks like a cake emergency. Time to call the experts.
Come on.
A DIY kit? Oh, I see. It just needs to be more festive. And this pouch has got all that we need to do that. First things first, we need to lay down some frosting. Now for some really familiar decorations. There's no denying who this cake is for now. Okay, guys, does it meet your approval now?
Yeah.
Looks like Patrick could use a napkin or a bath, which is exactly what you're going to get. But first, we'll need to whip up a tub. Of course, nothing beats another familiar face. Especially when we've got a friend with a spout. Good idea. Earl knows all there is about looking your best. Of course, a little bubble bath never hurt anyone. Come on, guys, the water's fine. But you love water. You literally live in it. But no one can say no to rubber duckies. Yeah, we're really big about sponges around here. After all, sponges and stars are some of Sandy's favorite things.
Yeah.
You're nice and clean, so why don't you relax? Let's get you some new clothes to change into. Is it me or do the squares around here look alike? Either way, look at all these new clothes to try on. A suit and a fox costume? Well, they've both got tails. A bikini dress and an astronaut uniform? This is SpongeBob, not I Dream of Jeannie. And I don't think Bikini Bottom's in Eurovision. Of course, you really can't beat a classic. Uh-oh, where's Sandy? Still dreaming about Pinhead and Dirty Dan? Guess the guys are looking to make new friends. Or just leave a trail of destruction, whichever comes first. Well, that sure woke her up. Hope you enjoyed your nap. Because you're gonna need to keep your eyes on them. These guys will need something to keep them busy. Well, if these videos have taught us anything, it's that cardboard can fix all our problems. Just make some holes and fill it with plastic. Of course, we want our new court to look its best. But with these guys, let's keep the ball safe and sound. Come on, boys, try to get it through the hoop. It seems so easy. At least until it's your turn. But don't worry, you'll have all the chances you need. Good, you guys remembered to hydrate. Kinda worried about that. Yeah, it's important to keep cool around here. I wonder if we can make a cardboard air conditioner. Well, maybe we can start off with our own fan. Make it yellow and brown, like SpongeBob. After all, where would SpongeBob be without his fans? Add some ice. And SpongeBob will keep things chill. Besides, there's nobody cooler than SpongeBob. And he likes to spread the cool around. Ooh, SpongeBob and Patrick are watching videos. Such a wonderful way to spend your time. Educational, too. Yeah, I wouldn't leave all that jellyfish jelly around. I don't think a bag of rice is gonna help us now. Uh-oh, Sandy doesn't look too happy. More importantly, how will you watch videos now? You two guys sure acted naughty, but the important thing is getting a new phone. We just need to get some pieces of cardboard. Now fashion it like an old belt buckle. But we'll need to make some extra screens. Especially with SpongeBob and Patrick around here. Wow, this thing is getting bars already. Okay guys, all is forgiven. Let's scroll our feed. Ooh, Squidward's had a glow up. Or a really great filter. Either way, we don't like to pass judgment. But a little constructive criticism's always welcome. You know, Plankton should stop his thieving ways. He's got a bright future as a content creator. While we've got the phone, why don't we take a few selfies? Here's an idea. Cover it with plastic wrap. Now why don't we help fill in the blanks? A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when we make it into our new game. Don't worry, it couldn't be simpler. Just take a coin and start scratching. Pretty soon, you'll help bring all your shining faces back to light. Okay, we've got SpongeBob and Patrick, but don't forget Sandy. Hey Sandy, we found your wallet, but some cash was missing. Oh, never mind, there it is. Well, they sure like pretty pictures. Just wait till you see what they did to your debit card. We need to put your cash in a bank. Oh, that's it. We can make one ourselves. Grab an old milk carton, or just make one. Now sneak your secret stash inside it. And there's a slot on top for any loose coins. Now we can keep it stashed in the pantry. It should be safe, unlike our chocolate spread. See? Our money is safe. Good thing, too. We need to buy more chocolate spread.